Hello, this is Sharon Log, and in today's video, we are going to discuss how to find the area of polygons of different shapes. About the formulas of polygon, I already uploaded the video on the YouTube. You can click the link in the description and find the formulas and learn them. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly solve the questions on area of polygons. So the first question is, calculate the area of each of the following shapes. First shape is extremely easy. It's a rectangle. What's the formula of area of rectangle? It's length into width. So 11 into 5 is 55 centimeter square. The the unit of area will always be the square of the one side. Next is, this is parallelogram. The formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. Base is 5, height is 3, so answer is 15 centimeter square. How to find the area of triangle? That's also very easy. Half into base into height. This question I'm doing. So half into base is 5, height is 4. So here I'm getting half into 20. The answer will be 10 meters square. What unit is used over here? You will just square that unit for the area. Area of this triangle, it's also half into 3.2 into 1.4, because 1.4 is the base and height is 3.2. So 3.2 into 1.4 and you divide it by 2, you will get the area of triangle, that is 2.24 centimeter square. Next is how to find the area of this shape. It's a parallelogram, so it will also be base into height. So 8 into 2 will be 16 meters square. It's a square. Square, all sides are equal. So its formula is length into length. So 2.8 into 2.8, you will get the answer. 2.8 into 2.8. The answer is 7.84 centimeter square. Our next shape of the polygon is trapezium. Trapezium formula is sum of parallel sides. Which two sides are parallel? 6 and 10. So sum of parallel sides, suppose this is my side A and this is my side B. I will add them, divided by 2 and multiply by height. So side A is 6 and side B is 10, and I will divide it by 2 and multiply by height. So 10 plus 6 is 16, divided by 2 into 5. 2 into 8 is 16. 8 into 5 is 40. What's the unit used over here? Just square that, 40 centimeter square. Next is this shape. This is also trapezium, but a little bit they rotated the shape. So over here, sum of parallel side. Which two sides are parallel side? This is A, this is B. So again, A plus B divided by 2 into height. So A is 6, B is 8 divided by 2 into height is 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. 2 into 7 is 14. 7 into 6 is 42 meter square. Our next shape is, this is a triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So base is basically 4. As you can see over here, here is the base 2 into, oh sorry, it's a 4. And height is also 4. So it's 4 into 4. It's 16. So the area is 8 centimeter square. Next shape is, you will split this shape, or it's also a trapezium. If you don't split it, that's fine. So what are the parallel sides? This side is parallel and this side is parallel. So it will be 6 plus 12 divided by 2 into height is 6. So 6 plus 12, what is it? 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 divided by 2 into 6. 2 into 9 is 18. 9 into 6 is 54 centimeters square. There are many ways to solve the geometry question. There is not one specific way. So if you don't remember the formula, you can also just split this shape. Okay. So if you split this shape, you get one rectangle and one triangle. Rectangle is 6. This is also be 6. So one side is 6 rectangle area area of rectangle formula is length into width. So length it's 6 into this is also 6. So it's 12 centimeter square. Sorry, 6 into 6 is 36 centimeter square. Now what's the formula of area of triangle? This is a triangle. Half into base will also be 6. So in base is 6 and the height is also 6. So 36 divided by 2, it's 18. So 36 plus 18, the answer is 54 centimeter square. So see, you get the same answer but with different methods. So in geometry, there is no hard and fast rule to use just one method. Okay. In my channel, I will be uploading all the lectures on physics, biology, chemistry, and mathematics with past papers of each Cambridge, Edexcel, IGCSE, Edexcel GCSE, AQ, and IB students. And if anybody of you want to have a personal tutor, you can just email me at aansarl4@gmail.com. I'm teaching to Cambridge, Edexcel, IGCSE, Edexcel GCSE since past 5 years on the platform Teacher On, and also as offline tutor. So I will be providing all the details. Just you have to subscribe the channel Learn Log and click the bell icon to get the notification first so that you don't skip any of the lecture, because if you skip any lecture, it's difficult to understand the next lecture. So in my channel, you will get all the lectures on one platform just only at Learn Log. See you in the next video. Bye.